In today's video, we're going to talk about 16 lessons that artists learn too late in life. Now, I've been working in the music business for over 18 years, and I've been running a school for over 10. So I've seen artists grow up and go on this journey. So we're going to go through this whole list, and I want you to do me a favor. In the comments, tell me any of these lessons that you've learned or that you've seen that really hit home. If you don't know, my name's Justin, and I run a program called Cosmic Academy. We're an artist development program. We've been around for over 10 years, and we have over 600 amazing artists that have gotten incredible results. They sign to the biggest labels like Toolroom and Spinnin, Armada. They play the biggest shows. We said 3 students play EDC, they play Ultra, Ibiza, etc. And one of the things that we get to see over the past 10 years is the lessons that they've learned, and sometimes too late on the journey. So let's dive in. The 16 lessons that artists learn too late in life. Number 1, and this is very key, everything is temporary. In the wise words of Tom Hanks, this too shall pass. So if something bad happened to you, this too shall pass. And if something great happened to you, this too shall pass. You gotta just keep it moving and roll with the punches. There's a lot of ups and downs in the music business, so remember, everything is temporary. Number 2, the music business isn't fair. You cannot look at this artist or that artist and say, why am I not treated like them? Why am I not getting their opportunities? Because the music business isn't fair. You know, I come from the world of talent buying. I did concerts for years and years, and I always wanted to book this one artist, and I won't say their name, but I could never book them because they only did shows with the guy that they grew up with and went to school with. And I'm like, well, that's not fair. But the music business isn't fair. So don't compare yourself to anyone else. It's not going to be fair. You got to keep rolling with it. Number 3, others will treat you the way that you treat you. In our program, Cosmic Academy, we work a lot on self-development and self-care and balance and all these things because that's as important as the music and the brand and all that stuff. If you don't treat yourself right and have your own confidence and feel great about what you're doing, it's going to reflect in the way that people treat you and see you and fans look at you. So try to always work on yourself, and self-care is key. Going in that same direction, number 4, remember, happiness is a choice and it takes work. I'll use myself as an example. I'm 35 years old. I've been in this business for 18 years. I'm happy, but it's not because of the success I've had. It's because the work that I do on myself, I'm very open about this. I meditate every single day. I've been in therapy, weekly therapy for years and years and years. I go to the gym, I eat right, I do all this self-care stuff, and that allows me to be happy on the journey. Which brings me to the next one. Number 5, success in music will not fix your happiness. I talk to my students about this regularly. They sometimes believe that if they have this one signing or play this one show, they're gonna be happy. But that's not how this works. You'll get that one dopamine hit, it'll last a week or a month or even just a day, then you're gonna go back down. It's about trying to fall in love with the process, and as we said in the last one, having the self-care and working on yourself where you can enjoy the journey, the ins and outs, and not just those big hits of dopamine. Number 6, don't take yourself too seriously. In one of my classes, I always tell my students, you're not a cardiologist. A cardiologist is a heart doctor. They literally save people's lives. No offense to any of us in this business, but we're not doing open heart surgery, right? We're in the fun business. And people come to see us because it's fun and we bring them enjoyment and entertainment. So try to keep it that way. If you take yourself way too seriously, social media is going to be very hard, putting out music is going to be very hard, and people won't be attracted to it. People are attracted to fun and they're here for fun. Number 7, and this is one of the most important ones, so listen up. Smash that like button. Just hammer that like button for me. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet, hit the bell and subscribe. We're putting out these videos all the time. We don't really have a schedule, so hit those notifications, subscribe, and let's go on to number 8. Number 8, consistency and hard work is as important as talent. I know a lot of talented people. I met all sorts of talented folks in my life, and they never get the results or the achievements that they want because they're not willing to work hard or they're not consistent. They don't finish music. They're not willing to play the other side. They're not willing to do the brand, the marketing. The attitude that you have, the positivity that you have, the consistency and the hard work that you have is more important than talent if you only have talent alone. Number 10, don't concentrate on the past. Concentrating on the past is only going to bring you regret and depression. Try to stay present. So number 11 is only concentrate on the present and the next record. It's that kind of business, rolling with the punches to be here and now and on to the next one. Number 12, your logo, your brand, your marketing, your social media, it matters and is very important. Now more than ever, marketing matters, branding matters. Listen, I wish it weren't that way. I wish you could just make the music, put out a song, and then boom, you're huge. But it doesn't work that way anymore. You have to play both sides, and labels are looking to sign complete artists. So it really does matter. So do try to build up currency and build up skills in the marketing, in the branding, and those sides. Number 13, don't listen to trolls, haters, or naysayers. Maybe it's your friends, maybe it's your family, it could just be some guy on the internet. Don't listen to them. A lot of people are going to discourage you on this journey. Music? What kind of a career is that? What kind of business is that? You're doing this for you, and never forget that. Number 14, respect other artists and other artists' fans. In Cosmic Academy, we teach a concept called shedding love. It's the backbone of what we do. We believe in pushing out positivity and never spreading negativity. So always shed love, always try to give respect, and it'll come back to you. Number 15, on other artists or genres will hurt you. You're not going to look cool by telling people that this genre sucks or this artist sucks. You're actually spreading negativity. It'll make fans less likely to follow you. It'll make managers, agents, labels, and other artists less likely to want to work with you. People want to be around positive folks, not haters. And finally, number 16, you can always start over. It's true, you can always begin again. In music, you can change your name, make a new brand, put out new types of music, change genres. In the real world, it's not that easy. But in this world, you can do it. So, if you don't like the path that you're on, you hate the music that you're making, you don't like your brand, you can always start over and start fresh. If you agreed with any of these or disagreed with any of these, let me know in the comments. I'm really interested to hear your take. I know we've all been on this journey, so if any of these hit home, let me know. And hit that bell, subscribe. We've got great videos coming. Zach's got good stuff on production. I've got some good things coming on the marketing side. Subscribe. We'll see you next time.